Hey guys, what is up? Right now we're heading to the Bird's Nest. It is a place in a flea market that sells birds. I've lately been wanting a cockatiel, so today I decided I want to go get one. I'm going to be choosing one with a lot of character, you know, that likes getting picked up and all that stuff. And it's just going to be a cool experience. You guys get to come along. So guys, there will be two babies on one channel, Kip's Corner. We'll have the cute little baby Flowerhorn, which still doesn't have a name yet, until you guys decide in the comments below. And it will be a cockatiel, in which I will be naming personally, because it's a little sweetheart of mine.
Give her a middle name or what?
Yeah, we'll do the middle name. You guys get to do the middle name or her YouTube name, and we'll have our own personal name. So yeah, comment down below, and we'll catch you guys there.
Cutie too.
Hey guys, we're now in the car. We chose our little sweetheart, as you saw before. We went with the beautiful little white and yellow guy. He's very sweet and beautiful. He just has a lot of nature. He came up to us first and basically chose us. Well, at the moment, we're just driving home, enjoying talking to him. He's a lot of fun. He's a beautiful, sweet bird. We're gonna do little updates on him, and we'll catch you guys at home. See ya.
Hey guys, I'm helping Kip get Sammy's new home set up. So we're gonna get his perch in here and a little place for him to sleep, so that when it gets colder, he'll have somewhere to snuggle up in. But if you don't introduce it now, he might not accept it later on because it'll be new. So we're going to put it in right off the bat. We have a perch, and we got him some food and all cuddle bones and all the good stuff. So we're going to get Sammy set up. He's over there in the little carrier kind of settling in. And just stay tuned. So you just have it on regular.
We're gonna go into the time lapse now, guys, and you can watch all of this unveil, and it'll be now. Hey guys, we're now all set up. As you saw in the little time lapse, we got his little thing in. We got a cuddle bone set up for him because at the store he was munching hard. He's munching hard on millet. He loves it. So what we're gonna do is get him all set up and his cage all ready to go. This is food at the moment. We're gonna wean him off of this into some Supreme, which is the best type of food you can buy for any parrot. It's really healthy for them. This is Supreme. It's made of natural fruits and veggies. And we'll do a quick little pan around. Somebody else is excited for the new neighbor.
We also have some millet. You could talk about the cuddle bone. Maybe somebody never had a bird before. Look.
Little guy.
He loves millet.
Mm-hmm. I'll show that. Mr. is nice and happy to see neighbors. And as we move over here, tons of millet.
Did you show the Supreme?
Yeah. This is all for him. Everybody's excited.
Come on, let's do it.
He's doing good. Everybody's doing. Alright guys, we're going to let him settle in. He was a little hot, so I'm worried a little bit about dehydration. So we'll make sure to give this little guy a lot of water so that he can get better and feel really happy and at home, because he was quite hot and he's probably really thirsty. So let's put him in and get him all settled in. Come on, little fella. There you go. You like your new home? Yeah? Yeah? Oh.
It's amazing.
Yeah. Just like that one.
Welcome to your new home, Sammy. Welcome to the family.
You want me to get you down?
See you guys later. Do an update later.
Hey guys, a little update. He's just chilling on my shoulder. He's chattering his beak, which is a good sign. That means he's nice and happy. He's enjoying being with me. And he's settled down, so that's awesome. I'm really happy. He's just a sweet little bird. He enjoys lovies. So all birds should enjoy lovies when treated right. Alright, well that's a quick little update on him and how he's doing. His name, as you know, is... Hey little Sammy.
Say good morning. Good morning. How you doing? You doing good? Are you doing okay this morning, Sammy? Good. Did you sleep really good? Oh, that's really great. Oh, okay. Wow. Feeling peppy there. Did you eat your Cheerios this morning? No, not yet. We'll have to, yeah, okay. Some, yeah. We'll have to rectify that.
Alright, Sammy, we'll catch you in a little bit.
Bye, I love you.
Guys, we had a little issue mid-thing. The store is pretty crowded, so we weren't really able to film too much. So the film from there was very drowned out by sound, so we didn't include that. But he is doing amazing right now. He's very personable. He's just an awesome little cockatiel. I'm enjoying him a lot. Need some comments down below on how you guys are liking the videos so far. I've been getting a lot of comments, so hopefully we can change that. I enjoyed this journey a lot in getting my baby cockatiel. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe, comment down below on what you think his middle name should be, and I'll see you guys. Peace.